Hello students, welcome to the online class again. I'm Komal Makar, your computer teacher, and I welcome you all to the video class. Today we will study Chapter 3 GUI Operating System and Introduction Part 4. Windows 7 Accessories. Do you know what are Windows accessories? These accessories are not full-featured program, but they are useful for specific jobs in Windows. It may be Paint program, word processor, text editor, and calculator. In previous classes, we did practice of Paint and WordPad. Now, in this class, we will just learn to use Windows 7 calculator. Students, today we will read about calculator. You must have used a calculator by now. Many times you used a calculator at your home. Why it is used? It is used to do calculation. We can solve sums on it. Windows 7 also has a calculator option to carry out simple arithmetical calculations. Do you know what is simple arithmetical calculation? Plus, minus, multiply, divided by. These are the simple arithmetical calculations. To solve sums using Windows 7 calculator, we have to follow these steps. Step number 1, click on the Start button. You can see in the picture step 1 is written and this is the Start button which is the left corner of the taskbar. So first of all, we will click on the Start button. Step number 2, click All Programs. When we will click on the Start button, Start menu will appear. From there, we have to click on All Programs option. Step number 3, from the submenu, click on Accessories. Now you can see in the second picture that when we will just click on all programs, we will get a submenu. From there, we have to click on Accessories option. Step number 4, now click on Calculator. Again, we will get a menu and from this menu, we have to choose Calculator. The Windows 7 calculator is displayed. At the end, you can see one picture of calculator. So, we will get this type of calculator on the screen by which we can do our calculations. When we will get this calculator on screen, we will see buttons for digit 0 to 9. Can you see 0 to 9 digits on the calculator? And there are some signs just like addition sign, subtraction sign, multiplication and division sign and many other signs. So how we can do calculation through calculator? For example, if we have to solve this sum 7 plus 1, then first of all we have to click 7 from the number category, then plus from the sign category, then 1 from the number category and equal to from the sign category. And when we will just press on equal to sign, we will just get the result which will be 8. Students, now I will tell you how can we use window calculator. For this, first of all we have to click the Start button, get the calculator program from here Click on this calculator. Now we are having calculator on the screen. From there, we will just press, as this sum is given in your book, 7. Then press plus sign. Then press 1 and equal to. Answer is 8. By this way, we can just use the calculator. Setting wallpaper. Windows desktop is the screen that appears when you switch on the computer. Whenever you are going to on your computer, after booting, one screen is visible. That screen is called Windows Desktop. Desktop is the operating screen of Windows and its main screen. First of all, we are getting this screen because all the work is done by the desktop, so it is the operating screen of Windows. That's why it is called main screen. Shortcut icons for a program can be placed here, which take us directly to that program. In the previous parts, you have seen that on the desktop, so many icons are there. From these shortcut icons, which are placed for a program, we can just go directly to that program. We can also add a picture on the desktop to be displayed on full screen. Here we can do some changes. We can add a picture on the desktop, which will display on the full screen. Example, scenery or pattern. Some ready-made pictures will be available, but if we want to add our picture, we can just do it. It will be to enhancing the beauty of the screen. This picture is also called wallpaper. As you can see in the picture, blue color background screen is there. This is called wallpaper of this desktop. All icons are actually present on the foreground of the desktop background. Icons are in the front, so they are just present on the foreground screen, and background, you can see this design which is in the background, which is a colorful picture or a simple single color screen. There may be many designs. It may be colorful picture or it may be simple single color screen only. As I told you, we can change the background of our computer according to our choice. To give it a new look, we can change the background of our computer. So for this, we have to follow these steps. Step number 1, right-click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalized option. We have to take our mouse to any empty area on the desktop, and after that we will click on personalized option. One shortcut menu will be appear on the screen when we will right click our mouse. This shortcut menu may be called context menu or pop-up menu. From this context menu or pop-up menu, we have to click on personalized option. Step number 2, click the desktop background option. You get a new window. One option is given desktop background. You can just see in the picture. Second step, desktop, click desktop background. So you have to click on desktop background option. Then you will get a new window. Step number 3, select any option from picture location. This picture location is given, so you have to select any option. Any one option you can select. For example, Windows desktop background. Because we have to change Windows desktop background, so we will choose Windows desktop background. Step number 4, choose the picture of your choice. Now again we will get many options, many designs. So we can choose the picture of our choice. You can adjust the position of your picture by using picture position option. Now click the Save Changes button. Because we have finalized our picture, so we can just click on the Save Changes options. The desktop background of your computer changes according to the selected options. Now I will tell you how to change desktop background. You are watching this picture in the background. Now I will change this picture and I will teach you how to change the picture of desktop background. So first of all, first step is that right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalized option. I am moving my cursor here and clicking on the right click of the mouse. Then this is last personalized option. I am going to click this option. Click the desktop background option, you get a new window. Here is the desktop background. So I'm going to click this. And these are the background pictures. Some ready-made designs are given. So we will just see this. What is in this? Select any option from picture location. From picture location we will see either we want to add picture, solid color or many pictures slideshow. If I'll just click on the pictures option, then these are the pictures. If I will choose this picture, then this picture, you can see in the background that this picture has been changed. If I'm going to select this picture, then this picture has changed. So by this we can change the desktop background. And if we want to choose the solid color, so these are the color options. We can just choose any solid color option and our desktop is. For the slideshow, we have to browse and just set our pictures here so that we can take these pictures, use these pictures and change according to our choice. By this way, we can change our desktop background. When computers are not in use and left idle for a certain time, some moving pictures or graphics appear on the screen, which are known as screensaver. So, screensaver is a software program that becomes activated after the computer is inactive for a specific amount of time. As soon as mouse is used or any key is pressed on keyboard, the desktop appears once again on the screen. When screensaver is on the screen, then how can we remove it? We will just press any key of the keyboard or mouse, then desktop will appear again. In the computer lab, many times students are saying if they are not doing any work, they are watching the screensaver on the screen. They are surprised and asking to the teacher, what is this? Where is our work? Then teacher will explain, teacher will aware them about the screensaver. A screensaver is a program that displays moving pictures or graphics on the computer system. In this screensaver program, some moving pictures or graphics will appear on the screen. It starts when the computer system is left idle for some time without performing any operation. As I told you, when computer is idle, computer is free, then if we set the timings, then after a few minutes, if we are not doing any work in computer, then the screensaver will be appear. Just like our background screen, we are having many designs of the screensaver also. Then how can we change the screensaver? To change the screensaver, we have to follow these steps. Step number 1, right click at any empty area on the desktop and click the personalized option. Just like background screen, we have to just keep our mouse on any blank area on the desktop and press the right mouse button. Then we will get one pop-up menu. From this pop-up menu, we have to click on personalized option. Step number 2, click the screensaver option. Then again we will get a window. From there, we have to choose the screensaver option. Again, a new window appears. Step number 3, select any screensaver from the screensaver list box. So we will just get a list box and so many names are given there. We can choose any one according to our choice. If you want to see the preview of the selected screensaver on the computer screen, just click on the preview button. You have selected a name, but you don't know how it will appear on the screen. Then you can just see the position of this screensaver or how it will appear. To see this, you can just click on the preview button. Preview means without applying on the screen, you can just see the result of this screensaver, how it will move. Step 4, to set the idle time of the computer, after which the screensaver starts, set the numbers of minutes in the wait box. We can just choose the time also, that after how many minutes it will start. We can just set the number of minutes in the wait box. At last, we have to click on apply button and OK button. Then our screensaver will be set. Now you can see in the picture there is bubble screensaver. It means when your computer will remain idle for a number of minutes, which you have given in the wait box, this screensaver will appear on the screen. And which screensaver you selected, that will also appear on the screen. Changing the screensaver. Now I'll tell you how to change the screensaver. Step number 1, right click at any empty area on the desktop. So I'm going to right click and this pop-up menu appears. From this menu we have to click on the personalized option. Step number 2, click the screensaver option. Here we will go in lock screen and from the lock screen we will go to screensaver setting. So we will get this box. This is Windows 10, so it is little bit different from the Windows 7. Here none means there no screensaver is set. So when we will click on this arrow, we are getting many options. We can choose any one. In your book, bubbles option is there. So I'm taking bubbles option. After this type of bubble will appear on the screen. After this, we have to set the time from the wait box. So I'm going to set 2, 3, 4. No, I'm going to set 1 minute. If my computer is idle for 1 minute, then this screensaver will appear on the screen. And when it is okay, then I'm going to click on OK button. I'm going to close this. Computer was idle for 1 minute, means we were not doing any work on computer. So this screensaver appears after 1 minute. Home assignment. Students, you have to read the lesson very carefully. And again you watch video of part 4. Hope you enjoyed the lesson and having good information of this lesson. Now just read the chapter, learn all the things, do practice. Have a nice day.